Yeah.
So this invoicing system, I would recommend to each and every one of my colleagues and anybody else in the automotive industry. It is hands down the easiest invoicing system to use, has cut down my stress level and cut down my time spent on making invoicing. It is the hands down the best point of sale, helps you with keeping track of your inventory, helps you keeping track of the jobs being completed and being paid. I'd highly recommend using Torque360. Another thing which is very easy is this invoicing system that they have created. You can directly send out the invoice straight to your client. You need to add on service packages. Guess what? It's already all built in. You can adjust how the client wants to pay. Check this out. Within 5 minutes, I can have an invoice made. You need to make an invoice on this 94 Ranger. Tires, 235 75 15. No, they're 215 70 16. We have 4 of them in stock. Tire disposal, haven't adjusted that. My invoice is complete and is ready to check out. Customer wants to pay with the debit card on this invoice. We know that. $417.01. Proceed to payment. Print out your invoice. You're done. Very simple, yet elegant. Easy to use. Any one of my employees which are outside not familiar with technology are able to use this. I have family members and colleagues ranging from the ages of 20 all the way up to 65. Each and every one of them have been able to use this software. People who have never used a computerized invoicing software are using this software in my company and my family.